My name is Florence Danz, Senior Manager at K.I.T Group. Beside interactivity features, my advice would be to choose an open digital platform in which you can integrate existing systems with APIs and embed third-party solutions to leverage features that are not native to the platform, and so you can design your event. Involve your event team as soon as you have a program structure to make sure that the program can be seamlessly implemented into the platform. Also, don't forget to plan breaks between sessions to cover overtime or if any technical issue occurs. It's also important to define with the team the pros and cons of the format of the session. If it's live, semi-live, pre-recorded, it's different for your speakers and your audience. As you cannot improvise with remote speakers, everything should be thought through so that your event is a success.